Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith. Smile for me. So today I'm going to do the part 2 video of the Etsy and Printed Mint integration, where we'll be integrating our Etsy store, and hopefully I'll find something that I really like that I will order with my new designs. We are back on Printed Mint, and I'm going to go down to my stores. This is like the screen that you guys seen when I left off last time. We're going to go in and put in our account information and our payment methods so we can integrate our Etsy store. On the account information, they want name, email, street address, company information, why are you interested in these services, anybody recommend you, your notifications, and then how to do your default payment, and if you have any social media. I'm gonna go ahead and fill all of that out. Once I have all of the account information done, I'm gonna hit save. I'm gonna go over to payment methods. On payment methods, they just want you to plug in a card. And then if you want to add like a PayPal wallet or something like that, I think you can do that as well. I'm going to go ahead and add my card. Now my card is in. I'm going to go back to my account and I'm going to hit on my stores. And then you see it pops up now. It says connect a new shop. I'm going to go ahead and hit Etsy. So normally what would happen is you would hit the integration bar. It will pop up in Etsy and saying, Printed Mint would like to have access to your shop. Then I'll allow Printed Mint to have access to my Etsy shop, and I'll hit allow access, and then it'll come back here. For some reason, my emails are like switched up somehow, and this is connected to another shop, but I don't know which one. I'm gonna go on as normal. Once you connect your Etsy store, you can do all of your custom packaging. Things like this will be displayed on your packing slip. It would be Crypt Cloud. I'm just going to put the website. Also, when you connect it, this will randomly show up and it'll populate your Etsy shop name. That's one thing that does happen. We're going to do the deluxe. What I'm going to add is the craft crinkle paper and the twine. And then it asks for a logo. I'm going to go ahead and upload the logo. Make sure you hit upload. Then it wants the marketing card should be 4x6. Go ahead and choose that. I'm going to upload the marketing card, and I just put my logo on the front. I'm going to hit save settings before I upload the packing label. I have those uploaded. Everything is updated and saved. And I'm going to go ahead to the product catalog. Obviously, I haven't created any products yet. So we're going to look here and we're going to see. I don't really think they have like all over prints. They probably have cut and sew stuff, but I don't remember them having like all over print stuff. Let's look at the bestsellers. And I want you guys to know that things like really happen when it comes to creating. And it's like a lot of times it becomes beyond my control of what I can do. A lot of times I'll go through and record a whole tutorial and it just does not come out the way I want to. It gets chopped up. I have to do things again. Bear with me. Let's look at what they have in Home Goods. I'm going to check out the blankets because that's just something that I don't think I've done yet. I'm going to look at the Sherpa blankets, and then I'm looking at the sweatshirt blankets, and then they have the fox fur minky, satin trim minky, so many different types, a soft fleece blanket. Yeah, so I think I probably will, if anything, I'll go with the Sherpa, the 30x40. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Let's scroll down. It tells us what the design file needs to be. I think I have something that can fit that. It's my actual artwork on the back of it. So it is an actual cloud photo of mine that will be on the back of this blanket. I'm just going to stretch it out so it fits. And that moon is still on it. I love it. Everything looks good. It says the DPI is a little medium. That is how it would look. That looks like it feels good. So I'm going to hit save. And I'm going to name this Cloudy with a Chance of Success Sherpa blanket. The price for that will be $22.50 retail. I would say $30 for this. blanket. My profit would be $7.50. I'm gonna hit save and open, and you can see it here. Look at the moon, it's so cute, even though it's on the bottom. And to buy this, I would hit add to cart. The other part is because I'm not sure if it's connected to the right store, if it's going to show in my Etsy listings. I'm just going to say this was something that happened in the course of me trying to create this. So normally it would be pushed to the store just like any other product that I created on Printed Mint. But because of this issue, that's not going to happen. I would have to like manually put that together. And that's fine. But if you go through the steps exactly how I did it, and when I say to the part where you will have to allow access to your Etsy store, that's when you will know that you have done the correct thing. Don't let this little hiccup in my journey to showing this video mess you up. You can still go through this whole thing watching this process, but as for me, I'm going to order that blanket, and then that'll be an unboxing that I will do from Printed Mint. If you guys want to join Printed, make sure you check out all of my affiliate links in the description box, and until next time.